So yeah, as I said,
So basanya komputer uri na udia yain.
as well, put on a cool boil and over the land, come cold, watch all and such as that.
Ya, gapo.
I can't remember Laura comes out of the bed. It's what Nikiluana Juan.
Ibusi yathi.
Now let's excited and poison with drinking.
Nyana wachela nyana. Lika bedroom nyana wa kusa spice. Still wana twana.
Batwana sham. So then angala zamaya. Then slinging abuya norpankata purusai.
Aw.
Wangala get. Ngala rato mutsori kala.
That side.
That side.
Yansanya.
Ah, mutsori shampur. Muali mnyani gateng. Mua mnyani teng. Mutsori. Then okay, fine. Katuna ki accept. No what? It's fine. You can among consider.
Mara Melissa.
Wa
Melissa.
Ati usiwen.
Ska Melissa.
Wanziba.
Ska Melissa gam
Wanziba.
ko. Ah, ska Melissa gam ko.
Ngasibuthweni.
Ay,
Ke
very
pharmacy. Pure ke lombonsa. Kasi zolo ringizombonsa mabele nyoka.
That's it.
Ngamtshela
Awu.
ngoba enye akangazi.
Ska Melissa iso.
Avaliwe.
Awu uthwenya apha mtho wa uthwenya. Ska
Noma
Melissa.
ngibheka ubheka jahile yazi. Akangazi.
Awu, ska Melissa.
Angithi
If I'm too stress, headache, stress.
Nyani.
Ah, ngale man.
Ka stress ke ntse nya. Yabona ukuthi plan engumi yetsa yona. Kere. Le wena o tla bo bila lo ra mkhotsi na. Ke tlo mmontsha shem.
Unyaka ka mkhwana.
Ke tlo mmontsha ntse.
Ska di interest.
Wena no, I just
abo ka ru lukile, ka ru khulu nyana, ka re ke sitonyana, ka re sitonyana
himself.
Yeah.
Ke tla nka mtate mbuta mtse silampi monotsi. Basadi ngibilane. Wes. Amtsibi sham. So nna gore ke tlo moruta lesson ene ke tlo moruta lesson le bo fo ba bang ba tlotla ka morata.
Ba khona o tseba
Yeah, because what I'm about to do, I don't think he knows.
Batomolela.
And I don't think he'll try email.
That's it.
Yona klane ke le ya lo ke ne ke yebo ba.
Yebo.
Lirato ba, thathu lirato. Thathu lirato baba. Thathu lirato. Yeah, ngithi yebo lirato.
Oh,
no.
yeah. Hey, drink.
Yeah.
Cheers. Down to that are cheating.
Down.
Mara mkhosi waka usawupula ku ukuthi at the time ke re una le somebody aka thusa kwa mama ila aka dia hore monna ya buye mara wena o ka re ke ipile lona ka ra o zanga wa ntshe serious like come on.
No, what's about? Ntse ke batla wona ne. Mara problem at nalone. I don't believe in the traditional healers.
Mara o tshwantse o zame nyana zama inyoko bereka o to bona nyoko buya le ratonyana yona o to bona mona a mshishimisa.
No, I can't believe in one thing. What's about na ke pleletseng? What's my game to? Problem ya ka gore I can't believe in more than again the traditional healers. I don't believe in them.
Mara dia bereka o bona manyalo a mantšintši metse e mentšintši bachelanyana just even though mara
wa tseba ke tlo etsang nna ke poleletseng ke poleletse fela gore ke mo fa modimo the only thing ke tlo etsang to mama ya ke noela ka tshwanetse ke nsebeletse then ke mfong ke tla tla ya
o bona ka re to boye ne
o tla ba right o tla ba straight
but I doubt because ka mokgwa wa pile o ka ona re hai a ka re lerato o feditše
you know if it's for me if maybe ke the way like modimo a ratileng then things will change, things will turn out. It's either we proceed or either one. Either way, you understand?
if you say so
Because again,
bona ka re ya backfire ya fofa ya fela motho a gaina
in the long run,
a mena gain on the
right. Ke a jwetsa wena, ya backfire. So let's say no.
But cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers.